Hello, in this video, I will show you how to create a Gangsheet using Photoshop. Familiarize yourself with the shortcuts listed. Open Adobe Photoshop. Click on File, New. Then set width to 22 inches and height to 60 inches. Set DPI to 300 pixels per inch. Set background to transparent, then click Create. You have successfully created a 22 by 60 sheet in 300 dpi. Now all we need to do is copy your image and paste it in the Gangsheet. You can now start opening all images you want to put in the Gangsheet. Click on File, Open. Select your images and click Open. To copy, click on Edit. Select Copy, or the shortcut is Ctrl+C. Select the Gangsheet tab. Click on Edit. Select Paste, or the shortcut is Ctrl+V. To move the image to any place in the Gangsheet, make sure the Move tool is selected, or press shortcut V in your keyboard. You have the option to resize your image to whatever you like and rotate it as well. If the measurement is not in inches, you can change the unit of measurements by going to Edit, Preferences, Units and Rulers. Set the ruler unit to inches and click OK. Once you are done with your Gangsheet, you need to merge all the layers together to minimize the file size. Select all the layers by clicking on the first layer. Scroll down to the last layer. Hold Shift and click to select all. To merge layer into one layer, press Ctrl+E in your keyboard. You are now ready to save your Gangsheet as PNG file. To save, click File, Save As. Enter a file name you like. Set file type to PNG. Click Save. For the PNG format option window, choose large file size and click OK. Thank you for watching, and we look forward for your business.